a quick video about ionic compounds. These are formed between positive metal cations and negative non-metal anions. They exchange electrons, they become positive and negative charged, oppositely charged, and they attract. And that's what makes the ionic compound. Now, in their solid form, they will tend to arrange themselves in these kind of lattice structures like this, where they're very regular. The bonds are extremely strong between the ions and throughout the whole structure. And that often means they'll make regular kind of crystalline structures. They are then extremely hard to melt and break down. They're very tough, strong compounds. And they're strong between and throughout their structure. They're hard to melt for that reason. They take a lot of energy to do so, but they're very often soluble. In any case, whether they're melted or in soluble form, they will in those forms conduct electricity because the ions are able to sort of float around each other and carry charge from one terminal to another in an electric circuit. So that's ionic compounds in a nutshell. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.